Hello, beautiful kids. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and learning the videos of me. Are you learning videos? Very good. Now, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. And I'm back with another topic that is about birds. Yes, हम आज birds के बारे में सीखेंगे. So, are you all ready? Okay, so let's start today's class. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. Now all these are birds. You know what are birds? Birds क्या होती हैं? Do you know? चलिए tell me what are birds? Okay, yes. So birds have wings, birds have feathers, and birds have a beak also. Okay, सब birds के पास wings होते हैं, feathers होते हैं और beak होती है. ठीक है? And female birds also lay eggs. जो फीमेल बर्ड्स होती हैं वो क्या देती हैं? वो एग्स देती हैं. ठीक है? Not all the birds, only female birds lay eggs. All right? And do you know all the birds cannot fly? सारी birds fly भी नहीं कर सकती हैं. Two birds cannot fly. Do you know which two birds are there? Yes, one is penguin and second is ostrich. Penguin and ostrich cannot fly. वो दोनों birds fly ही नहीं कर सकती हैं. उनके पास wings तो होते हैं, but still they cannot fly. Okay, but rest all the birds can fly. चलिए, now let's study about birds and their names. So first one is pigeon. First is pigeon. So pigeon we say every day, right? Pigeon को हम daily देखते हैं ना, sky में fly करते हुए देखते हैं ना pigeon को. Yes, this is pigeon. Okay. Next is owl. Next is owl. And you know, owl wakes up at all the night. Yes, owl पूरी रात जागते हैं. और कब सोते हैं वो? दिन में. They sleep at daytime. Yes, owl daytime में sleep करते हैं and night time में जागते हैं. Okay. Next is sparrow. Next is sparrow. And the next is peacock. This is peacock. And do you know, peacock is our national bird. Peacock is the national bird of India. इंडिया का राष्ट्र पक्षी कौन सा है? पीकॉक, जिसे हम बोलते हैं मोर. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज ईगल. नेक्स्ट इज ईगल. एंड नेक्स्ट इज क्रो. दिस इज क्रो. क्रो इज इन ब्लैक इन कलर. क्रो इज इन ब्लैक इन कलर. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज डव. नेक्स्ट इज डव. It is white in color. Dove is in white in color. This is hen. This is hen. And the last one is vulture. This is vulture. Okay. So all these birds lay eggs. ये सारी birds जो female birds होती हैं वो क्या देती हैं? वो eggs देती हैं. ठीक है? और उनसे क्या होता है? उनसे एक new baby bird बन जाती है. ठीक है? And all these birds can fly. सारी birds fly कर सकती हैं. Okay? And इन सब के पास क्या क्या होता है? Wings होते हैं fly करने के लिए, feathers होते हैं and beak भी होती हैं. ठीक है? So don't forget this. Now you will learn all the spellings and their names. Okay? Now we will do the activity this. So this is color the chinky bird as per color code given below. This is the chinky bird. This is the chinky bird and we have to fill the color in this. Okay. This is very interesting activity. Are you all ready? Okay. So quickly grab your colors and this sheet. So see the first one. It's written 1 here. Okay. Let's start with number 1. 1 is written and we will see below that 1 is the blue color. 1 is the blue color. So we will fill blue color in one number. Okay, chaliye. I'll pick my blue color and I'll start doing like this. Yes, like this you will fill blue color in number 1. And it's done. Okay. Now we will find number second, number 2. Where is number 2? Over here and here also. So number 2 is the red color. I will pick my red color and I will do in this blue color. Sorry, second number. इस सेकेंड नंबर हमें हम कौन सा कलर करना है? रेड कलर. ओके, बट प्लीज मेक श्योर कलर शुड नॉट कम आउट. कलर्स बाहर नहीं आने चाहिए. डू इट वेरी नाइसली like this. Okay, yes, I know which word is this. This is angry bird. Do you know? This is angry bird. Angry मतलब गुस्सा, जिन्हें बहुत गुस्सा आता है, ये वो वर्ड्स होती हैं. आपको भी गुस्सा आता है? Do you get angry sometimes? Yes, we all get angry sometimes, but we should not do गुस्सा. हमें गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay, we should not get angry. It's bad manners. So this is angry bird. Okay, and we are going to fill red color like this. And it's almost done. See, it's almost done. Okay, we have done. Now we will come to the next number, that is number 3. Now number 3 is yellow color. I will pick my yellow color and do it number 3 like this. These are the wings of the bird. These are the wings of angry bird. Like this. Now this is also number 3. I will do some more yellow color here. Okay, and it's done. Now next is number 4. Number 4 is brown color. Now let me see. Do I have a brown color? Yes, I have light brown color. I will do it in the 4th color. Like this. And it's done. Now last one is the black color, which is number 5. I will pick my black color and do it in the number 5. Here. Like this. And this is left. This is number 4. I will do this with the brown color again. Okay. Now my chinky bird is ready to fly. Alright. So now chinky bird is ready. And how it will fly? It will fly like this and go up in the sky. Okay. Chaliye. Now you will all learn the names of these birds who can fly up in the sky. And I will see you in the next video. Till then class, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.